So I wanted to share a super quick trade idea with you guys, and you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. So again, this is not recommendation, or especially if you're a beginner, you should not be shorting. But Tesla has recently gapped up. It went from lows of nearly 138 to highs of 173. It started gapping up because of earnings, a promise that Elon Musk said to investors that by early 2025, the Tesla Model 2 was going to come out. Elon has made a lot of promises in the past before. He tends to fall through with them, not follow through, but fall through with them. So overall, when you look at this on the 30-minute time frame, again, it's just an idea. The reason that I think that Tesla is bound to pull on back is when you look at this on the 4-hour, it's been getting rejected by the moving average ever since it was selling off. It was one of the worst performing top 10 stocks from the S&P 500, being down at 1.43% year to date in just the first 4.5 months. Now we're testing this moving average. And again, this doesn't have to get rejected. Patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. But if we do get rejected at this moving average, just like we did in the past before, and it sells right back off, I wanted to create a trade plan in preparation, right? It's not about predicting the future. We can't do that, but we can always prepare. So if this thing does get rejected, again, looking at this on the 30-minute time frame, we have a beautiful pullback that it could retrace all the way back down to pretty much 138, 140, which offers about 16% of upside. So I plugged this thing in to my risk to reward ratio calculator, and you guys can see Tesla stock right here. My desired entry to open short, which means that I would be betting against Tesla if I get confirmation that this thing actually begins to trade below the EMA line. My desired goal entry price is going to be right around 166. You can see that right now it's nearly trading at 169. My goal is not to get in early or at the best price. It's to get in when the action is happening. And I believe that should be right around 166. My stop loss, again, as every trade does not go according to plan, is going to be 168, giving it some room, but not so much that if it does end up beginning to recover, which again, for a short position, you make money as it sells off. If it does begin to indicate signs of a recovery and it breaks back above that EMA line, I want to get out because I don't want to ride or short Tesla as it begins to break above EMA, because that would be a break of pattern. So waiting for confirmation for the break below EMA, and from 166, my price target would be 140. So not the lowest price point of 138, but I do believe, because we've seen so much selling pressure in 2024 for Tesla, that if the NASDAQ market continues to sell off and Tesla's hype about the promise that Elon Musk made ends up falling through, then guess what? Tesla will most likely retrace and correct itself on the way back down. Let me make this very clear. This does not have to happen. This is just a plan to prepare in advance. But like I've said, it's not about predicting the future. It's about preparing and having a plan of action. And overall, this would give me a 13-to-1 risk to reward ratio, meaning for every 13% upside, I'm only risking 1%, which is a great risk to reward ratio in my opinion. And with 500 shares, that's about $83,000, I could potentially walk away with $13,000 in the green, or if the trade does not go according to plan, it would be about $1,000 in the red. So again, 13 in the green, $1,000 in the red. To me, it's a trade worth trading if I get confirmation and if we actually end up getting rejected on this moving average on the 4-hour time frame. But I wanted to share it with you guys and ask you guys, what you guys think down in the comment section. Also, if you're going to be asking where do you get that free risk to reward ratio calculator, all you do is go to techbutsolutions.com. It should be the first link in the description down below. You scroll on down and you click on more trading tools, and we provide it for you for free if you have an Apple device under Numbers, or if you have a PC under Excel. And again, it's just a great way for you to be able to become familiar, creating a healthy habit of planning out your trades before you actually take them. Remember, it's not about predicting the future, but it's about creating a plan of action and preparation if you get actually that opportunity that presents itself. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if not, again, that link for that free Excel sheet is going to be the first link in the description down below. And if you want to watch me trade live, that's the second link in the description down below to watch me trade live as soon as Monday. Hope that earns your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.